Njatukano nene riu niyo iyumiritie gatagati ka mbunge ya bururi na bengi nene ya Central Bank mawoni matiganite makirutwo iguru ria gwika mogaruruku ma watho wa ngombo uria wahitukirio mwaka muhituku.
Might it be that commercial banks have ganged up together on a go-through to deny medium and small scale enterprises credit so that there will be complaints all out and it will be blamed on the interest caps.
Governor wa bengi nene niwe Patrick Njoroge agicokia ciuria cia ambunge kamiti-ini ya kigina augite ihinda ni ikinyu watho uyu thegio kaimana akiuga ni ukoretwo hotometie gukura kwa ngombo.
When we talk about appropriately priced, fair pricing of loans, for sure Wanjiku wants a fair price and she understands. In the same way that when she lends to somebody else, she doesn't lend it at zero. She knows that. I mean, we know that it's not at zero. They understand that there is value for money, value for time, and all those other things. The point here is that is it done in a fair way?
Inde kuringana na mubunge wa Kiambu Jude Jomo, noria niwe watengemanirie watho uyu giikaro-ini kia mbunge ni ati bengi nene ndikoretwo igithinyiriria watho uyu kuona ati makoretwo magithikiriria mihwa ya mabengi maria makoretwo magithinyiriria watho uyu cenjio mena itanya ria gutura mbeca makiria.
Twatwira kumenya atiriri Governor wa Central Bank ria thiurukite akiuga ati watho ucio nugacenjio June nitukwenda mbia twere atiriri aheirwo hinya nu wa gucenjia watho na kuringana na katiba ya bururi wa Kenya yugite watho ucenjio ni parliament.
Mirugamo ino yaga guteithuranwo utonga wa bururi ugukorwo kiera-ini gia kuhorokera riria ndume igiri ciekurwa nyaki niwe koragwo ikienjeka na nginyagia ihinda riri kihonia kigie watho wigie ngombo gikuoneka wona bengi nene ya bururi wa Kenya yanyitanira na mbunge gwetha kihonia kigie watho uyu wa ngombo no kwa ihinda riri wonjoria munini no eguthie na mbere na kugia na morito ma kwigwatira ngombo kuma kuri mabengi. Kameme TV wonjoria kuma mucii munene wa Nairobi zitagwo Njenga wa Wambui.